Alright, number 2. Again, we have this word problem set up. Read those, make sure you can understand where they're coming from and where these equations are coming from. So I'll go through this one more time, and then from here on out I will just solve the systems, because it does take more time to go through all of that. But okay, a student bought a calculator and a textbook for algebra course. He told his friend that the total was $145 without tax, and with the calculator cost $25 more. And that the calculator. So I'm stumbling over this. He told his friend the total was $145 without tax, and that the calculator cost $25 more than twice the textbook. What was the cost of each item? Okay. So at the bottom, we're letting X be the cost of the calculator, Y be the cost of the textbook, and then here's the system. So X plus Y equals $145. That was the total cost. So the cost of one plus the cost of other equals your total. Generally, you will get some equation like that, where you're adding them to get your total. The second equation is a equation in terms of the one that they gave you, the calculator. Said the calculator cost, so X was the cost of the calculator, so calculator cost means calculator equals 25 more, so we're adding 25 more than twice the cost of the textbook. So the cost of the textbooks was Y, so 2Y plus 25. So anyway, that's how you come up with those two equations. I'm going to write them down. X plus Y equals 145, and we have X equals 2Y plus 25. Okay, what we are going to do, this one is already solved in terms of X. I'm going to replace X with all of this. I'm basically taking this, because that's what X is equal to, and substituting, plugging it in right there. So my new equation is going to be 2Y plus 25, okay, that's in place of X, plus Y equals 145. Okay, and then from here we're going to solve for Y. So combine like terms, 2Y plus Y gives me 3Y plus 25 equals 145. And then we're going to subtract 25 from both sides, and that goes away. Bring down 3Y equals 120. Divide by 3, and we get Y equals 40. Alright, once we get this, we're going to go back to the top, plug in a 40 here. So we have X plus the Y value of 40 equals 145. Subtract 40 from both sides, and we get X equals 105. So X is 105, Y is 40. Take your time and check your answers. It will be a shame to do all this work and then made some little sign error and it doesn't come out right. So get in the habit of checking your answers. But we get 105 over 40.